So watch the previous video of the delivery. So today we are going for a range test. Basically we're heading towards Kanpur to the temple, okay, our Kul Devata, for the rituals. So simultaneously I will be doing the range test as well. So I've charged the battery completely to 99%. The range which it is showing in 99% in eco mode is 189 kilometers. So yeah, we'll be going in eco mode only completely. And yes, let's start the ride. So first I will reset my trip A. Okay, yesterday the whole day I had covered around 55 kilometers. So yeah, trip A is 0, and now let's start. So the battery is 99%, and in 99% in the eco mode, it's showing me a range of 189 kilometers. So just for the beginners, there are 4 riding modes. First being the eco, second being the ride, followed by dash and sonic. So the speeds in these 4 modes are 50 kilometers in eco, 75 in ride, 90 in dash, and 105 in sonic.
So just to brief about the simple one, the produces a max torque of 72 Newton meters and a peak power of 8.5 kilowatt. Now simple one comes with two battery setups, one being in the floorboard, which is the fixed battery, and the other one is in the boot, which is a portable one. The battery capacity being 3.7 of the fixed and 1.3 of the portable. Yes, portable idea is so that you can remove and take it in your room or anywhere to get it charged. Now since I'm going towards the temple today, which is in Kanpur, which is at a distance of 60 kilometers, so why not do a range test? So yeah, be with me for the range test, and I will give an update every 10% of battery drop. So yep, let's go. Okay, so we have drained around 10% and we are at 90% of battery. At 10% of battery usage, we have covered a distance of 17.5 kilometers, and the range which is projected on the dashboard in the eco mode is 170 kilometers. So if we do the math, it comes to 187.5 kilometers. Still it's fine. So probably a drop of 1.5 kilometers. Yes, okay, that's fine. Let's see how much true range we get, how much battery drops per person. Right now we have reached Margam, and this is the newly built flyover, okay, which connects the Verna bypass to Naveli direct. Okay, earlier before this bypass was or the bridge was built, we had to take the route via the city, which was long cut as well, and more traffic in the city. So now since this bridge is built from Margaon Fish Market till Naveli, it's continuous straight road. Yeah, due to which our distance is also going to reduce, and all the time and effort and everything. Yeah, so we crossed Margao now, and we are going extreme south Goa, which is Kanpur. Okay, so what happened just now is I had put maps for our destination, and suddenly after riding, the scooter just restarted, meaning the display just restarted. So I thought, what did just happen? Similarly, we had seen this case in our previous range test video. Yeah, so I've just stopped and I've put the destination again, and since the scooter just restarted, the brightness has reduced, which takes some time to come back to normal. Okay, So I've put it, and now the distance it's telling us around 1 hour 30 minutes to reach to Kankon from Naveli. Okay, right now we are in Naveli. We crossed Naveli. So yeah, let's see. uh, Brightness is, as I mentioned, it's down, and it takes some time to automatically adjust itself, so because of which you might not be able to see the screen. So be with me.
And we'll stop the maps as well, because I know the route. Just testing. Now regarding the brightness, so if I turn on the auto brightness, it is lowering. So let's turn the scooter off and then we'll start it on. So I will keep the brightness like this only. I'll connect my scooter with the app. Okay, it's bad. And so the app hasn't been synced to the scooter, so that will happen in a few days. That's what the technician has told me. So otherwise we will raise a query. He has told me to do that. So now let's move ahead. So let's start. Let's go. Okay, range update. We are at 80% of battery and we have covered a distance of 36 kilometers. And with the 80% battery in eco mode, it's showing a range of 146 kilometers. So if we do the math of 146 plus 36, it's 182. So we are still fine. Like the range which shows on the dashboard, yes, we are almost accurate. So now where I had taken a small stop, so there the location is called as Bali. So now from Bali we are heading towards Ghat, and we get the Ghat which is known as the Karmal Ghat. So now this whole stretch is going to be a Ghat. So now let's see how the bike performs on the hills. Okay. So range update, 70% of battery. We have covered a distance of 52.1 kilometers, and the remaining range which is showing in eco mode is 127 kilometers. So if you do the math, it's 179. So yeah. Okay, so we are at 52% of battery, and the main battery is at 35%. Portable is completely charged. So yeah, let's see. Currently at 52%, and in eco mode it's showing 90 kilometers of range. We have covered distance of 80 kilometers, and my average speed was above 50. Okay, it was 50 including the climbs and all. If I calculate the average speed, it was around 45 plus. So yeah, we were not below that. Only on the inclines the speed was around 35 and all. So because of that, the average is down, or else the average would have been 50. So yeah, let's see where we reach, what time we reach, at what battery percentage we reach. Okay, also a thing to note that the Sonic mode has been disabled. Eco, ride, and dash mode are available. Uh, Once the battery reaches below 50, the dash mode also will also switch off. So let's see now. Now it's all decline, it's all slope, so we have no issues with that. So the regeneration will take over. I'm not sure if the display is visible. Whenever I'm on a slope or any plane, or when I leave the accelerator, the the display gives some kind of animation which states that it is regenerating.
Okay, so range update. The battery is exactly at 50% now, and at 50% we have covered a distance of 84 kilometers, and for 50% battery remaining, the projected range in eco mode it's 86 kilometers. Now if we do the math, 84 plus 86 is 170 kilometers. So okay, uh, from projected 189 to 170 we can see a 19 kilometers of drop. Okay, now this also an update about I have changed the mode thrice to ride mode only. One while going towards Concon, and now while returning home I have done it twice. Yes, we have encountered climbs, inclines, and declines, due to which I feel the range have dropped and have changed the mode. Um, yeah. So let's go. Let's head home. Okay. So now we have come to the end of the Ghat section. So here is where the Ghat ends, and where we reach a place called as Badi, and this place is called as the Badi. And now we will approach a junction which is the main junction of Badi. Okay, so at this junction now, when we reach, left side road goes towards Fatirpet temple, right side goes towards Kepe, Savode, and everything. And the straight road goes towards Margao, Panjim, Vasco, the roads. I was talking about this junction. This is the Badi main junction. Range update. We are at 40% of battery remaining, and we've covered a distance of 99 kilometers, and the projected range in the eco mode with the 40% of battery remaining is 69 kilometers. So if we do the math, it's coming up to 168 kilometers, which is almost 20 kilometers loss from that 189 meters projected. Now from this place, we have around 25 kilometers to reach home. We have reached the Navili bypass, which I had mentioned while going towards Cancun. So let's see at what percentage and how much kilometers remaining of the projected range we reach home with our simple one. Range update. Now we are at 30% of battery and covered a distance of 112 kilometers, 112 kilometers, and with 30% of battery remaining in the eco mode, it's showing a range of 54 kilometers. And if we do the math, it comes to around 166 kilometers. Okay, so from here we have reached, we are about to reach the Titan junction. From here my house is around 10 to 12 kilometers. Let's see, देखते हैं क्या होता है, बने रहिए.
So if I show you, we have 29% of battery remaining. Main battery is at 10% and portable is at 82. So now the portable battery will get depleted.
Okay, so now we have come to the end of our range test video. Now the battery remaining is at 25%, and the distance which we have covered is 121 kilometers, and with 25% the projected range is 43 kilometers. Now if we do the math, it comes a total of 164 kilometers. So from this 43 kilometers, we can subtract a kilometer of 5 kilometers, so we can consider 35 plus kilometers of true range. So even if we do 35, it comes up to 156. So you can uh, easily get a range of 150 plus kilometers on the simple one. Now again, just to mention that we did it on a Ghat section, so due to which the battery had some load compared to flat road. If it is just a plain road, then the load will be less. Yes, so thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you all like this range test video. Stay tuned for more videos on the one, and like, share and subscribe to my channel, and follow for more DIYs, car and EV related content. See you in the next one.